Alright guys, I'm going to do a tutorial video which is the second part to a video I did about 5 years ago called How to Find Your Sound, and that's on my other page, Ying Ring. It's spelled like Ying Ling but ring instead of a ling. Anyhow, got some stuff to show you today, and we're going to try to get my sound back differently than my theory I had last time. Basically, instead of, how did I put it? Let me just show you the new method. Fuck the old method. These are all my toys. And there's some song lyrics. Don't take note of that too much. Yeah. And we got a bunch of harmonicas. Ocarina. What else we got? Pretty sweet ocarina. I'm gonna pull out all my guns. There, what else we got? We got another flute. I think that's about it. Alright. And what I'm gonna tell you guys to do is basically you're gonna do the same theory I did last time, which was play on your instrument to any song that you hear on your iPod, or not your iPod, your phone or whatever. Stuck in the 90s. Anyway. Alright, I'm going to set this phone down right about. That's pretty good. Alright. Now, let's just get a little warm up on the pan flute. Alright, you get the point. You want to do that with all your instruments, though. It's going to be a slow warm-up. This is a bugle. I'm going to warm up on a bugle instead of my trumpet, just for the sake of the video. The chops rotated, and then got my bad boy right here. This just gets your lips loosened up. The ultimate goal is we're going to be playing trumpet by the end of all this. So, in about 3 minutes. Let's see what other goodies we got today. Oh, I actually never tried playing this. Harmonica. My good harmonica is downstairs. I'm not going to go get it for the sake of the video, but this is the first harmonica I ever got. It's a diatonic, so let's do a little warm up on this. My precious, my Zeno trumpet. You get the point. That's just the warm-up, so I'm going to end it right there.